Hello again, I'm back. Sarah, this is my lovely 4-year-old daughter Olivia. She's going to be my big helper today. So somebody's just sort of had enough of the day and she wants something to do. She's bored. Mummy's got to get ready for work tonight, so need something to sort of keep her entertained for a little bit while I get ready. So this is a great little thing that she can help me with, and you can do many different combinations to this of oils that you wish. I'm going to do a bit of a calming and uplifting blend today. We are actually going to make aroma dough, which is Play-Doh. So I can't see anybody on. I hope I posted in the right group tonight. Let me know if I'm in the event. I had to rush on. I was meant to go on at 3, but the lovely Christy's going to be sharing at 3, so I rushed on here at 2:30. Let me know if I've posted in the wrong group again. Okay, so we're going to make Play-Doh. I will post a recipe in the comments below afterwards, and my little helper's going to help me. So would you like to help me, Olivia? First of all, we need 2 cups of flour.
I'll put it in a can.
Whoops. That's probably a bit much. There we go. Can't really... I tried to do it sideways so you could see both of us, but you can't see what we're doing. So, okay, ready? Stainless steel bowl. Oh, Mummy's holding the handle. Here we go. That's more than a cup, but I'll just make the other one smaller. Say hi if you're watching. I couldn't see any of the comments in the last live video, so sorry about that if I didn't say hi. If you did, I don't know why my comments aren't coming up. Okay, so we need the other cup of flour, and it does get a bit messy, so I won't quite fill this up because I went overboard with the first cup. This is great to do in school as well. Having homemade Play-Doh is really, really handy. Hi Kelly, hi Shelley, how you going on this lovely Saturday afternoon? We're just making aroma dough, aka Play-Doh. I'm hippie, yes, Moonchild. Olivia wanted to do a filter, so we thought she wanted to do the rainbow one where you go there and the rainbow spits out of your mouth, but I said no, we're not doing that because she'll just be doing air, air, air all through the video. You're going to knock all your flour out. Okay, so we've done 2 cups of flour. There goes a puff of flour. You just roll with it. It's fun for them to have a bit of sensory play as well. So we need 1 cup of salt. I just buy, because I don't use this for eating, I just use this for Play-Doh. I can't justify tipping my Himalayan salt into a Play-Doh, especially a cup of it. Yes, love you. Yes, you dip it in, honey. In you go. We didn't even get a spoon for this, did we? Would you like to mix that up for me?
Yeah.
So, ooh, not with that. I had everything else but a spoon. Yes, Kelly, they're cute, aren't they? The filters, they make it a bit fun. You can stir that for me. Okay, so the next ingredient is, oh, I didn't get the olive oil out. 1 teaspoon cream of tartare. This helps your Play-Doh last longer. The reason I like to make homemade Play-Doh is I know exactly what goes in it, and I can add oils to it too for that therapeutic experience for your child. If they're being crazy and driving you nuts, you can choose calming, or if you just want a nice smell, you can go uplifting. If they're wintertime, you can do the immune boosting blend like Fiona shared before. You could do some of those oils. So would you like to pop this in? You can really play with anything. What is Olivia's favourite? She loves all the oils, Kelly. She likes aroma seeds, lavender. Because her favourite colour is blue at the moment, so she likes the aroma seeds oil. I don't know, since she turned 4, she's gone from red and purple to blue. So now she wants blue oils in everything. Hi Amelia, how you going, sweetie? All right, can you stir that for me and say hi to everybody? I've got to get the olive oil.
Hi.
Say, how you doing today?
How you doing today?
They can't see your face. My big helper. Okay, I've got to be quick because, well, how many was that again? 1 tablespoon. Okay, you're going to hold this spoon for me?
Yeah.
Okay. 1 tablespoon of olive oil.
Very sticky.
Wait, you're dripping it on the floor. Aroma Seas is mine this week. Kelly says hi. Say hi, Kelly.
Hi, Kelly.
Okay, move that oily spoon out of the way. Olive oil is great. It just gives it that soft, so it doesn't dry out too. If you find that your mixture is too wet, you can add more flour. And if that your mixture is too dry, you can add a little bit more olive oil. So that's great. So we've got all the basics. Now we need to add some hot water. So Mummy will do this bit because it's a bit hot until it cools down, and then you can put the oils in, okay? So what I normally try... Going good. That's good, Amelia. Maybe it's Livy's going through the chakras. Yeah, probably. I had to put that calming blend on her before this live because she was a little bit moody. So I was like, I'm not having her playing up on me. So I've got purple today. I don't use food dyes because they're a bit nasty getting into the skin. Google dangers of food dyes and what they can do. I'm not going to mention that here, but I like to avoid that. So these, you can get natural food dyes, but I'm just using like a soap dye from Aussie Soap Supplies. For this one, I need to get some natural food dyes. So now you can't touch this, okay, because look, it's hot. So I've just recently boiled this, 1.5 cups of water, and I've added some colour in there. So we'll put this in. Okay, don't touch that, please. So this is about the only bit your child can't help you with. So I'll just mix that through, and it's a lovely purple colour. I'll show you in a minute. Oh, that's really pretty, isn't it? So the reason why you use hot water is so it all sticks together. Otherwise, it'll just be a blobby mess. Thanks, Amelia. Yes, she is my great helper. So this seems really wet. I don't know why that's wetter than normal. I just need to add more flour because I use this recipe all the time. Hey, Mum. I keep watching. How you going with the move today? My brother's moving house, so Mum did helping them. Okay, so I just added a little bit more flour, and that's more Play-Doh-y now. And that'll probably dry out once it cools down, so I'll probably have to add more olive oil. But anyway, you just play with it. You can either use one or the other to... still a bit gooey. A little bit more flour. We don't want it gooey. Not too gooey.
Don't do gooey like that.
Look, Nanny's watching. Say hi, Nanny.
Hi, Daddy. Daddy.
See Nanny there? Yeah. Nanny might say hi if she's got time. Okay, that's probably a bit dry now, but anyway. No, it should be okay. So don't touch it just yet. I'm just tipping that. I'll show you in a minute. I'm just tipping that out. I will post the recipe below. Thanks for your comments. It's nice to see you jumping on, so I'm not talking to myself. Because I'm around a little one all the time, so kind of forget how to talk to adults sometimes, don't you? Okay, so that's still a little bit warm. So what I like to do is just, it needs a little bit of kneading. I'll just put some gloves on just to knead that through a little bit more. Make sure all the flour's mixed through. and it gets very sticky if I don't have. See, I don't know why. Maybe it's something in the air. Might put some flour down on the table. Something in the air. I needed more flour in this one because I normally use that and it's fine.
Wow. How did you do that, Papa?
Oh, I'm clever.
Clever like Daddy.
Clever like Daddy? Oh, yeah.
Daddy loves blue.
So what I'm doing now is I've just got some gloves on because I had to use hot water in that. So I've just got some gloves on. Yeah, it's a bit sticky because it's a bit warm today. It's normally cold. Maybe that's what. Hey Beck, how you going? I can see you having a look.
Hi,
Making some Play-Doh.
Is Becky?
No, Beck's watching our video.
Oh.
Okay. It's very sticky. It's much more humid today. It's been cold. Thanks, Kelly. So, okay, so we've got our Play-Doh. I'm just kneading it now. Then what you do is you make a little well in the Play-Doh, and I would do 15 drops of oils of your choice. You can use one oil or you can mix it up and make a blend.
It's not hot on me.
It's not hot now. It's very sticky. It'll be better once it cools. Okay, so I've kneaded that through.
Why don't I need the gloves?
Lovely non-toxic Play-Doh. You go and buy the Play-Dohs in the tubs. They all get mixed anyway, so it ends up being really expensive. This is a cheap alternative. It's easy to do at home. You know exactly what goes in it. And, yeah, it's safer for your little ones. So with this one, I'm doing an uplifting and calming blend.
Ooh.
Lavender, lemon, sorry my head's chopped off, and lime today. So that's uplifting, bit of immunity and a bit of calming all in one. So you're going to do, I'll see if I can move the camera. So you're going to do the drops for me.
Yeah, I'll do
So how about we do, so 15 drops, so I'll do 5 of each. I had to figure that out. Okay, so 1, 3, 4, 5. Okay, how do I store it? Normally in a stainless steel container, Kelly, or glass. Normally I take it out. If it's in a glass container though, I take it out for her so we don't get glass on the floor. Okay, so 5 of lemon, great, to help immunity and uplifting, energizing. Okay, ready? 5. Count your 5 drops. 2, 3, 4, 5. You got to hold it up. Okay, and then we've got, so lemon and lavender, they come in your starter kit. You're fine with just using those. Yeah, I'll just open it for you, sweetie. So the other one I'm going to use is lime. That's really uplifting and invigorating. How do you make Play-Doh, Kelly? Do you store it in any other way? Okay, so 5 more. Can you count 5 drops for me?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good counting. Okay, so we got 5 drops of each, 15 drops total. And then, yep, good work. She knows what she's doing. Mix it all around so the Play-Doh goes, or the oils go through right through the Play-Doh, and your child gets a therapeutic experience while she's being entertained with fun homemade Play-Doh. Okay, I better jump off because lovely hairdresser Christy will be jumping on in 5 minutes at 3 o'clock. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll post the recipe down below. See ya.